A cross-section depends on both the solid and the direction of the slicing plane.
A cross-section is the flat, two-dimensional shape formed when a plane slices through a three-dimensional figure. The result depends on both the solid and the direction of the cut. Slice a cylinder with a plane parallel to its circular base. The cross-section is a circle. A parallel slice copies the base shape. Slice a rectangular prism with a plane parallel to one of its rectangular faces. The cross-section is a rectangle. If the solid is a cube and the plane is parallel to a face, the cross-section is a square. Slice a cone with a plane parallel to its circular base. The cross-section is a circle, smaller than the base, when the slice is closer to the tip. Changing the angle can change the cross-section. A slanted slice through a cylinder can form an ellipse, and a vertical slice through a cone can form a triangle. Recap: identify the solid, notice the direction of the slicing plane, and name the flat shape where the plane intersects the solid.
Waddle names the flat shape where the plane intersects the solid.